In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this render image by using Blender's Boolean hole tolerant feature. Let's create a plane and a teapot. If you don't see the teapot in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. I'll array the plane upward like this. Let's use a Boolean modifier. This is the issue we get when we try to Boolean slice a mesh, in order to get a batch of left-behind faces. Let's be hole tolerant, and the issue will be resolved. The hole tolerant feature will work faster with the meshes that have a lower number of vertices. It takes some time to calculate. I'll apply both modifiers and set up the render scene. This is only a simple teapot example, but the hole tolerant method can be used on very complex meshes. I'll use 16 samples to save time. Please use at least 128 samples for the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.